I'm loving the sounds of John Grant. Earlier played his new single Canopsia. And this was his remix of I Am MTN, Your Love. And before that, Rodrigo Deem and Duster. You're tuned into A State of Trance. My name is Ferry Corsten with your my monthly takeover for you. Stay tuned for the breaks mix of my new single called Poison with Lovely. But first, another new single on my label Flashover Recordings. This is Eugenio Tokarev and Follow Me.
feel the emptiness of you. when I'm losing control. Oh, you're poison in my bones. Turn my heart right into stone. Oh, you love to leave me cold. Only want me till you don't. Oh, you're poison in my bones. But I don't wanna let go. 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 Oh no, I don't wanna let go. I don't wanna let go. I don't wanna let go. You're poison in my bones. You're poison in my bones. Oh no, I don't wanna let go. You're poison in my I don't wanna let go. 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 Oh no, I don't wanna let go. I don't wanna let go. I don't wanna let go. You're poison in my bones.
Hey everyone, here's Garden State and you're tuned into a state of trance.
Hi, this is Super 8 and Tab, and you are tuned to A State of Trance.
Upon this face before, dreams beneath the surface. There's a world that no one sees. A hideaway where I've got everything I need. You'll shine a light and I'll be brave.
This is A State of Trance. Ferry Corsten here with a big new remix of the Super 8 and Tap classic with Julie Thompson, My Enemy. You just heard the Garden State remix after the Breaks mix of my single Ferry Corsten featuring Lovely and Poison.
And Ferry, the polls of the biggest track of 2021, as played on the State of Trance, of course, are open. Looking back, what has been your favorite of this year?
That's always a really difficult one, you know. There's so many good tracks, but you know what? Since we've been working this show basically for like, the last year, you know.
Also Corona,
exactly. We had a great moment in the studio as well. We did a track called Bloodstream, and it's a little cheeky thing to pick your own track, but that's definitely a track that's still.
I think that's one of my favorites as well, 100%.
Yeah, so I gotta say that's the one for me.
Okay, so vote now on vote.astateoftrance.com and leave your top 5 of this year, of course, over there. And we're signing off because next week we're going to be back with special guest Paul Denton, but we're not 100% done yet because there's something else coming up.
Yeah, a bit of a different pace to close this episode. This is my side project Fair with Youth Novels, and this track is called Hands.
Episode again, surf to ArminRadio.com and please leave your vote for your favorite track of the past 2 hours on AstateOfTrance.com. A State of Trance will return next week.